Hello guys, this is Archana and welcome to my channel Easy English. Today we are going to see a vocabulary activity. For learning any language, we need a strong vocabulary with us. How many of you stuck with words while speaking? Yes, many people stuck with words while speaking in English. So, why does it happen? Because we are having a lot of collection of word with us. We are having many dictionaries, mobile apps. But the thing is that we are not using those words frequently or repetitively, and so that we stuck on them while speaking. So, we'll see how to overcome this difficulty. Here is one activity for you which is called related words cycle. You can see some words on the screen which are interrelated to each other and which form a cycle. So, we need 5 people to participate in this activity. The first person will tell us any word. For example, here the first word is sky, which is told by the first person. The second word will tell us the next word which will be related to the first word, that is sky. So the second word here is cloud, which is related to sky. Third person will tell us the word related to second word, that is cloud. So here the third word is rain, which is related to cloud. Now, in such a way, we have to move on with the fourth person, which will tell us the word related to rain, that is our third word. So, water is the word which is related to rain. Next one, the fifth word, which will be related to the fourth, means its previous word, that is water. So, drinking is the fifth word which is related to water. Next one, the last word in this cycle, which will be related to its previous word, that is our fifth word, drinking. So the last word is tea, which is related to drinking. Now this is a cycle of words. All the words are interrelated with each other, but the thing you might have noticed here that the last word tea is only related to its previous word drinking. Drinking is only related to water, means its previous word, right? So no need to consider the other words. You have to only consider the previous word and you have to tell the related word of your previous word. So, is there any connection in tea and sky? No. But the sky, cloud, rain, water, drinking, tree, these are related to each other. By playing this activity, you can play many cycles of these words again and again. You can change the words, you can add up the words. Not necessary to play this with 5 people only, you can play with many people. Or if there is nobody to play with you, you can alone make a cycle of words and you can just move on by relating the words with each other. What is the use of this activity? That it will help you to think about variety of words at the same time and make them use again and again. Means the repetitive use of the words that you know. These are very simple words, but only the thing is that you have to use them repetitively. So this activity is really helpful for you. Try it and let me know, did you like it? So, if you are new to my channel, just subscribe to my channel and give a like. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.